Are you done? No. Man, if I didn't know you were a school teacher before, I sure know it now. How often I've heard that tone of voice. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a real nice round of applause. The truck is so sparkling clean, it just looks great. The Washington government's really nice to organize that for me. Get a free car wash every time I come down. Getting this little band competition organized up here has been like herding cats tonight, but that's quite okay. That's part of a small country festival. Glad that you're all here to enjoy a good time. With lots of bands that want to have a little competition. Very friendly though. Helping each other out, encouraging each other. And as the words of the old song, not a discouraging word to be heard. Adon. All right, Mark's going to do his little thing with his switches and buttons and stuff. And we have a group here that George, the guitar player on stage, built a train, as you can see over there, and it runs. Is that a licensed, George? Is that a licensed engineer sitting in that box over there? A trainee? Are you a licensed engineer? Absolutely, yeah, no doubt. Yeah. George here comes to us from Madras, and he brought in a heavy hitter all the way up from Santa Monica, California, to play the bass. Give our bass player a nice round of applause. And that's Bob over there. All right. This is cool.
You're a nice looking couple, so. Hey.
Oh man, I'll tell you. We've had frost up country. Got frost over at Trail. You guys? Have you? Already? Yeah. Frost at Kamloops. My tomatoes took a licking. Raining, cold. Everybody's getting out their hunting gear, ready to hit for the mountains. And down here, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Man. How you doing, Mark?
I'm ready.
You're ready. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Trainwreck, the old 97 sitting over there, brings us this little band. Here we go. Give them a nice round of applause. They're going to do 5 songs each tonight. The Trainwrecks right here.
Good to go?
You're good to go, guys.
That was our first time on stage ever trying to play bluegrass, so that's why they called it the Trainwreck. It could be. We're going to try to do the wreck of the 97, and it's kind of our version of it. It goes something like this.
Sorry, I'm busy.
Well, I gave him his orders in Monroe, Virginia. Said, Steve, you're way behind time. This is not 38, it's old 97. You must put her in dispenser on time. Turned around and said to his black, greasy fireman, throw on a little more coal. And when we reach that wide oak mountain, you can watch old 97 roll. It's a mighty rough road from Lynchburg to Danville, on line with a 3-mile grade. He was on that grade, he lost his air brake. You can see what a jump he made. Going Thank you very much. You're way too kind. And unfortunately, there was a miscommunication. We only know one song, not 5. So if the next group wants to get on up here, that'd be great. Thank you, guys.
Well, do it. Hey, do it 4 more times.
All 4 will be different. That's right. I remember getting that back.
Check, check. Well, what do you think? Did you enjoy that, folks? I did not know that they were only doing one song. Did you?
Tell every joke you know, George.
Yeah, thanks for that encouragement. That'll be one of them. Okay. So, this cowboy comes riding across the prairie, and he rides up to 2 buffalo, and one of them is really scruffy looking. And the cowboy looks at the scruffy buffalo and he says, "You know, you're a mess. You really ought to clean yourself up. Get a haircut, get a shave, wash, brush your teeth. That's awful." And he rides off. And the buffalo stands there and thinks on that for a bit, and he turns and looks at his friend and he says, "You know, I think I just heard a discouraging word."